In this question, we need to find the area of this red triangle. That is triangle AFC area we need to calculate. And given condition FD length is given 3 unit and CD length is 4 unit. Also one condition given triangle ABC is congruent to triangle AEC. Thus ABC triangle is congruent to triangle AEC. So to calculate the area of this red triangle, first I will see in the triangle FDC in triangle FDC, and FDC is a right angle triangle. So by using Pythagoras theorem, we can write FC square equal to FD square plus CD square. We can write, and FD is a 3 unit, so 3 square, and CD is 4, so 4 square. 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. So this will be 25 FC square. So we can write FC is equal to under root 25, that is 5. So FC is what? 5 unit. Okay. Now, as we know, opposite sides of rectangle are parallel and equal. So here given DC is 4 unit. So we can write AB will also be what? 4 unit, because these two sides will be equal. Okay. Now we can say this according to the question in triangle ABC and triangle AEC. This triangle and this triangle both are congruent. So this means AB will be equal to A. No doubt. Yes, we can write AB line segment will be equal to A, and AB is 4. So A will also what become 4 unit. Okay. And this B angle and this E will also be equal. B is 90 degrees. So this E will also be what? 90 degrees. Okay. Now we can see this in the triangle, AFE, triangle AFE and triangle CFD, CFD. These two angles is a equal or congruent because of vertically opposite angle. So we can write here angle AFE, angle AFE is equal to angle CFD, CFD because of vertically opposite angle. And also angle AEF, that is we can see this angle E is equal to angle D because of right angle. Okay. And this A is equal to CD. A is equal to CD. Okay, for 4 unit. So we can say that according to angle side, this two triangle, that is triangle AFE, is congruent to triangle CFD. We can say that. So if these two triangle is congruent, so this means AF and CF will also equal. AF will equal to what? CF. We can say that. And CF is here and AF is here. These two side will equal. So FC is given 5 units. So this AF will also what? 5 units. Okay. Now to calculate this red area, now we can see this in the triangle. This triangle, we have base is 5 and this height is what? 4 unit. Because base, here we can say this in this, if you will draw this figure like this, it looks like in this way, and this. So this base is given 5 and this is 4 unit given. We need to calculate. So we can write here area equal to 1 by 2 base, that is 5 unit, and height will be 4. So 4 we will write 2 2s are 4 cancel, that is 10. So 10 unit square will be answer for this question. Thanks for watching this video.